Shwmai, stori heddiw yw O Diar. Today's story is O Diar. Aeth Bryn I aros gyda Auntie Mary ar y fferm. Bryn went to stay with Auntie Mary on the farm. Gofynnodd Auntie Mary I Bryn fynd I nôl yr oiau. Auntie Mary asked Bryn to fetch the eggs. Felly aeth Bryn i'r ysgubor a gofyn i'r, so he went to the barn and asked the, pwy sy'n tu ôl y drws, who's behind the door? Moo! Does dim oiau yma. O Diar. No eggs here. O Diar. Felly aeth Bryn i'r twlc a gofyn i'r, so he went to the sty and asked the, does dim oiau yma? No eggs here. O Diar. Felly aeth Bryn i'r cae a gofyn i'r, so he went to the field and asked the, meh. Does dim oiau yma? No eggs here. O Diar. Felly aeth Bryn i'r stable, so he went to the stable a gofyn i'r and asked the, nay, does dim oiau yma? No eggs here. O Diar. Felly aeth Bryn i'r kennel, so he went to the kennel a gofyn i'r and asked the, pwy sy'n fan hyn? Woof, woof. Does dim oiau yma? There's no eggs here. O Diar. Felly aeth Bryn i'r cwt, so he went to the hutch and asked the a gofyn i'r, gwych, gwych. Dim oiau yma? No eggs here. O Diar. Felly aeth Bryn i'r pwlltwr, so he went to the pond a gofyn i'r and asked the, quack, quack. Does dim oiau yma? There's no eggs here. O Diar. Yna cofiodd Bryn. Then Bryn remembered. Felly aeth i'r cwtieir, so he went to the hen house a gofyn i'r and asked the, clack, clack, cod fi, hooray, lift me up, hooray, dyna'r oiau, there's the eggs. 2 o'i ti I frecwast, 2 eggs for your breakfast. Am stori hyfryd, hwyl!